Hello there. Today I show you my custom watercolor portrait template photo effect customizable. You can custom very easily. There is previously apply some result. See, we have include 6 different style. So this is the original photo and there is the result and all brush are different. And is auto replace the background your portrait, and also you can change the color and controlling the color. We have include separate layer. I show you the layer and how to edit it and custom it and make it transparent png and more tricks. Just wait and see there is the another looking and another looking. See, we show the this time the pit portrait, but you can use any others portrait, any others animal portrait or man or woman portrait or anything, but we highlight the pit. This is the color combination and may use that your transparent photo and the layer screenshot. See, there is the group folder in different brush style. This is our cover photo and this is the single. Okay, now start. First go my download file. There is the cover file, help file and our supporting information jpg format. You can read it very easily. Connect our support in Facebook message first, or you can email me or our WhatsApp number for reply first. You can join our live support if needed. If you face the travel or face any problem, our product is okay. Sometimes some people not follow the all stable all right guideline, and then they face some trouble, so we need to join our live support and we fix the issue. And you can read our help file. Check out the help file. There is some information include. You can read and our supporting information include and product include and how to use written simply. Okay, now I have closed it and open my PSD template. This is the high resolution template and fully professional and full editable. Everything is editable. So now I introducing all layer and all group folder and I show you how to use it, and you can custom it and transparent png. Okay, this is the your photo replace here. So photo replacement placeholder, smart object placeholder. So we need to replace first our photography there. This is the marks we have replaced. Now double click this option and open a new page there. See, and extra 1 extra 2, that is the extra. You can replace your photo just there, but you want to remove hide this for hide me. Okay, hide me, then you can use this template, otherwise is include your photography. So now I have opened a photography. I want to open this photography now, and I need to transparent png. So I show you very easy step. Go there, you can use quick selection tool or you can use subject selection tool. I have this time select subject selection tool, then I have box up my portrait focus point. Okay, and it's working for selection. Please wait. Okay, it's select your photography portrait area and create a marks. So now it is transparent png transparent. Okay, and you can move it the page we have replaced. So our artwork is large size, so that's why photography is small. So you can Control T for transform, or you can use this transform and make it bigger. For idea portrait, our back. So this time we have hide this and select this one or transform tool off and file and save button. Make sure you hide this layer, otherwise it's include your effect. So scaling is perfect. Now I have go file and save button, click, and it save my main template. Okay, it's saving. Why it needs some time extra, because this is large size, so it's updating all information, all effect like filter. That's why it's extra time needed. Now it's updating finish, and I have checked out my main layer, main template, artwork template. This is the result. You can custom everything and brush. How to change the brush style, I show you an effect style. This is show main brush artwork 1. Now showing brush art 1, and if I hide then it's blank. And now I have view the two part and see, check out another looking, and you can check out the folder, and if you think the move anything, transform tool, and you can move the position, and others see, and move the position if you want. Otherwise we have decorate everything perfectly, but sometimes some people need it. This one, see, so you can upper and down if needed. So this is on number 2 effect, and number 3 another one, and also you can check out same way. See the looking, transform tool, and if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger, and okay, another one, and another one. So I think all are we need to decorate file to large format. Transform tool, and I have transform it. See, and move the position in top or left or any other area. Okay, and another one. See, and check out the folder. And now I show you the masking use. I don't like this brush style, so how to remove it? Firstly, find out the layer. So layer I, off and on, you can understand which one the subject. See, so I find out and select the brush layer and mask area, and select the sub brush tool and sub brush. That is default brush. So, and brushing the area, make sure top color is black. See, now I have is remove, and others area, I think this one I want to remove. Okay, and also this one. It's perfect now, and you can edit just follow my info. Now if you want to make transparent PNG, and our subject it other size area, like you want to print it sublimation print, so you need to make it transparent PNG. This purpose you can create just marks in overall area. Just click the marks in main folder and select the marks and brush it the outside area. It's smooth brush outside area. And now see, okay, and now paper option is include. So if you don't like the paper, you can uncheck the paper effect, and there is the paper option include, and you can uncheck this option and go the file. Sorry, this time you need to uncheck background the option. So if you uncheck this background, then transparent it show, but there is the another our watercolor effect shading looking is show. So this time you need to select this one. Select this watercolor shade and marks button, click and uncheck the other side like outside area, border size area. That is not important, the outside this transparent PNG purpose. See, I think it's done now. See the looking, and you can save file and export quick export as a PNG. You can use this button and save the PNG. And this time I have not need, I just show you. See the looking. If you uncheck this shading, so this is the looking, uncheck looking, see. And this is the photo effect. You can check out the photo filter we have include, and filter is there, and the color replace option is there, and extra color is there. Is highlight your back color. You can double click, see, add a color, and I have unchecked this one and set the number 1. And there is the color combination, extra color. You can check out the color, see, any of color you can set up your yourself, see. Okay, want to background color change, you can go the background and go background color, and you can check out the background color, see, any of color. And check out the brush style and understand. If you want this color, you can pick this color, your photography color, see. I think this need to little and light color. Now it's very nice, and paper option include, and its quality is different now, see. So I have show another photo. So, how is it's set. Check out this, and subject option and overall photography. I have focus area, select the box, and it's auto select your subject, see. And I have created marks. I want to move it, my template, and I have deleted my previous one, and I have now I have scaling is and hide this one for idea, and I save the button, save button, and it's rendering. Now check out our artwork page and see the result. There is the result show, and you can check out the combination effect, see another one and another one looking. And if you want to uncheck the shade version, you can uncheck the shade, and you can use the marks area, see. And this time you can use the white color and the faded color or light color, but white color is classic standard, see. And you can use any adjustment. Then there is the adjustment folder, and out of adjustment fix, this is the fix adjustment. If you don't like any adjustment, you just uncheck this one, and this is the paper option. You just uncheck, and it's lighting show up or need to little light something at the paper, so you can less the opacity. Subscribe and save, join the creative community with MRI Cocoon, get free file video tutorial and news. Subscribe to our YouTube channel MRI Cocoon, where you will find exclusive premium tutorial, product update and free file news. Don't miss out on these tips, tricks and professional insight to the enhance your creative project. Shop premium product on Creative Market. Visit our Creative Market shop MRI Studio, where we found high quality product across the 3 Ryzen module. Stay updated as our news product and update our first launch here. Explore Graphics River for approved product. Check out our profile on Graphics River MRI Kokon, where all products are reviewed and approved by expert reviewer. Ensure top quality for your creative needs. Buy directly and save more. Visit our official website for exclusive discount. 99% discount on bundle purchase, 50% discount on flash sale going on. Plus across free file download directly from our site. Easy support for you. Need help? Our support team is always ready to assist you with your query and provide guideline on use our product. Don't wait, join our community now. Subscribe, shop, save today.